Invoicing. An invoice is a document you send to customers who are buying from you on credit. For example, if Adepeju Samuel wants to buy 5 Nike shoes on credit from your business, you can create an invoice for her. To do this, go to Navolet and type a message like this. Create an invoice for Adepeju Samuel. Quantity 5. Product name, Nike shoes. Unit price, 20,000 naira. That is all. Navolet will create the invoice, and you can generate a PDF to send to your customer. Now let us look at the PDF that was generated. At the top of the document, you will see the status, which shows not paid. On the top left corner, you will see your business name and address. On the top right corner, you will see your business logo. You will also see the invoice number, the customer name, and the customer phone number. The phone number appears because the customer has already been added to your business records. In the table section, you will see the quantity, product name, and the total amount for the invoice. At the bottom, the footer contains your business payment details and payment terms. You should know that pending invoices represent customers who are owing your business money. To confirm this, you can ask Navolet to send you the list of people owing you money, and you will see all pending invoices. When a customer makes full payment and you want to mark the invoice as paid, simply tell Navolet to mark invoice, then say the invoice number as paid. At this point, you may receive a warning message saying that the product is not available in your stock. This is because when a receipt is generated, the product quantity is expected to reduce from your stock. Navolet is simply notifying you that the product is not currently in your inventory. In a later module, we will explain how to set aliases for your products in Navolet. You can go ahead and confirm, and Navolet will generate the PDF receipt. Now let us look at the receipt. You will see that it shows paid, and it contains similar details as the invoice, except for the payment terms, which are not included in receipts. Now, how do you cancel an invoice? If you make a mistake while creating an invoice, such as entering the wrong product name, quantity, or price, you can simply say, undo last invoice. Navolet will delete the most recent invoice, and you can create a new one. What about cases where a customer makes part payment? Navolet also supports that. For example, let us say Blessing Ojo has an invoice of 50,000 naira. If she pays 25,000 naira, you can update Navolet by saying, Blessing Ojo paid 25,000 naira for invoice, then include the invoice number. Navolet will record the payment and reduce her outstanding balance. You can continue updating payments until the full amount is paid. Once the payment is complete, Navolet will record the sale, and you can generate a receipt to send to the customer.